Alright, this is 6-1, Lesson 3, Multiplying and Dividing Rationals. Alright, so the same idea applies. You know, just like we had a fraction. If you multiply fractions or rationals, you multiply straight across, and you never ever divide rationals, you multiply by the reciprocal. So we'll get to that in a second. So when I look at my first one, the first thing I want to do is realize there really isn't two separate rationals. It's one top, and I'm just multiplying everything together. So once I understand that, then I know I can cancel things out when I have them. So next up, just like when we were simplifying, I'm going to rip apart everything I can rip apart. So this I can have m minus n times m minus n. Alright, so I don't really need to have the square there. That's just an m. That's an m plus n. And this one I can factor out an m, leaving behind an m minus n. So the original was m minus n squared times m, all divided by m plus n times m squared minus mn. Alright, so now that we've ripped everything apart, and remember realizing that there is only one top and one bottom, cancel things out. Here I have an m minus n. Oh look, an m minus n. They go away. I have an m on top and an m on the bottom. Those go away. So finally what I'm left with is just m minus n on top and m plus n on the bottom. Alright, let's look at the next one. So first things first, whenever you see division, rewrite it. So this is going to be x plus 3 to the squared, to the second, over 5. Instead of division, I'm going to make it multiply, and I flip the very next thing, 25 over 5x plus 15. Alright, so now, just remember, it's multiplication. There's only one top, and everything's multiplied, and one bottom, and everything's multiplied. So I'm now going to factor x plus 3, x plus 3, and then 25 is 5 times 5. Now I'm pretty good with my numbers, but I like ripping them apart anyway. Alright, here we have a 5. Here I can factor out a 5 to leave behind an x plus 3. So again, we had x plus 3 squared times 25 divided by 5 times 5x plus 15. And I'm factoring each piece of it. So on the top I have 2 x plus 3's and 2 5's. On the bottom I now have 2 5's and an x plus 3. Oh look, I can cancel out everything that is the same. And remember, if everything cancels out, you're left with 1. So this is x plus 3 over 1. In other words, it's just x plus 3.